एबिलिटी सॉरी सर कट गया
यहाँ हूँ मैं
सर
You can see the example that today I feel so much anxious. I was not able to talk in front of all of you. It is because I'm not consistent.
प्यार से बोलो थैंक यू वेरी मच।
प्यार से बोलो थैंक यू।
जिस बात पे इतनी बात बढ़ी उस बात में कोई बात न थी। जब बात पे बात आ जाती है तब बात की बातें होती हैं। So ladies and gentlemen, please let's welcome the one and the only Miss Anju Daima.
अंजू
ये अपने पास रखो
नमकीन
सीरियल वाली
नहीं इट्स ओके इट्स ओके अरे सही था इट वाज गुड इट्स फाइन कम ऑन
सर वीडियो
वीडियोस कुछ नहीं होगा
Good evening, Kevsar. Good evening, everyone. I want to share one शायरी. For me. For me.
फॉर यू
हाँ.
ओके
दिन हुआ है तो रात भी होगी. कि दिन हुआ है तो रात भी होगी. अंजू स्टेज पर आएगी. कि अंजू स्टेज पर आएगी तो अंजू के बारे में बात भी होगी.
वाओ
I am comfortable this.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Speak about topic, please.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I am going to speak how to develop.
Develop.
How to develop
Personal.
personality. So, first for if you want to develop our personality, जय बजरंगबली. If you want to develop our personality, तो मेरे पैर काँप रहे हैं.
तो बात दो ले कुछ
हाँ ठीक है. If you want to develop our personality, that time if you want to develop our personality, तो first for you have patience. You need
You should,
patience.
हाँ.
You need patience. Because of you have patience, that time you can do everything, and you can win the whole world, and you can handle every situation. And the second point about the respect. Today I am going to talk respect. Respect is very important in this world because
Yes.
of every person give respect. That time you can, if you give respect, that time सब में पेड़ बहुत गुजरे.
तो नीचे ऐसे करो ना ये वाला करो यस बढ़िया है अरे
If you give respect every person, पेड़
क्या हो गया पिकासो ले आओ
नहीं. If you give respect, I am going to talk respect. If you give respect every person, सब क्यों हंस रहे हो?
मैं कहाँ हंसा हूँ मैं तो हंसा भी नहीं हूँ
सब बोल दो. बोलो. हाँ.
मैं ऐसे नहीं रहा हूँ
हाँ. और हाँ. If you give respect, that time if you give, I am going to speak respect. If you give respect every person, that time you can change people thinking.
yes
And third point, people will give respect because of every person need respect.
yes yes yes
self confidence decrease. If you do comparison other people, that time self confidence decrease and loss of our identity and ability. Sorry, sir कट गया.
यहाँ हूँ मैं.
सर एक तो सीट को तोड़. सर जैसे ना एबिलिटी में एबिलिटी जो इंसान ना अपना मन ना कंट्रोल कर ले वो विजय है. एक बार 2 मिनट लो.
2 मिनट रे, बहुत स्पीकर्स बैठे हैं.
सर 1 मिनट.
ये वाला बोलिए, ये वाला, ये वाला. हाँ.
विन. हाँ ये है मेरा.
यही है.
वीडियो मत सेंड कर दो YouTube पर. बेइज्जती होए.
बेइज्जती होए? व्हाट इज होए? अब तो और चलेगी वीडियो.
इंसल्ट होए.
हाँ?
मतलब इंसल्ट है.
इंसल्ट होए?
हाँ.
इस बार नहीं होए. इस बार नहीं होए. होए. Ability. If you want to develop your personality, that time you should control your Emotion. Your
desire, fear, and anger, jealousy, and
laziness.
Lazy. एक ही तो है. Lazypun. Confusion. बस खत्म.
बैठो, चलो इधर.
सर बस तो.
चुपचाप बैठो पहले.
अब खत्म हो गया.
प्यार से बोलो थैंक यू वेरी मच.
प्यार से बोलो थैंक यू.
अरे से लविंगली.
अच्छा. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच.
ऐसे करो हाथ. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो.
अरे एक हाथ से अब थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच.
The way you have listened to me,
you have listened to me,
it means a lot for me.
it means a lot me.
ये आप नहीं कर. It means a lot for me.
It means a lot
For me.
for me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. और वीडियो मत देखना.
पर अभी कहाँ हुआ है? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
From the bottom of my heart.
From
From?
the bottom.
वहाँ फेफड़ा है. Thank you from the core of my heart.
जो भी है वो heart.
From the heart.
From the heart.
You have been
You have been
great audience for Anju.
great audience
For Anju Daima.
Daima.
Very nice, very nice.
तो for this stage I would like to say one शायरी. Yeah.
Before inviting that
Yeah,
person.
before inviting.
Of course.
Yeah. Yeah. So I would like to invite Miss Dipti.
गिट्टी.
No sir, Dipti.
डिप्टी. नो. देखो किसी को बुलाने से पहले बताया नहीं जाता. बता दिया आपने.
अभी ने तो कहा था पहले बोलना.
अरे बिफोर इनवाइटिंग दैट पर्सन मेक वन शायरी, कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड गिव सम क्लू, देन इनवाइट दैट पर्सन. ओके. इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
Sir, I am going to talk शायरी.
हाँ, first say शायरी and then give them some clue, then invite that person.
Yes sir,
okay?
I am going to talk
Please.
Said invite first.
Before inviting.
For this, I would like to say one poet, one शायरी only for this stage.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not for that person.
Person of, not for person, only for this stage. Because
Okay, so the stage will
speak. No sir, every person come here and speak anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please go
यहाँ
ahead.
दिन की बातें होती है या रात की बातें होती है. यहाँ दिन की बातें होती हैं या रात की बातें होती हैं. ये दुनिया है, इस दुनिया में हर बात की बातें होती हैं. पर दिन रात सर, this share only for you.
Oh my God.
दिन रात तुम्हारी महफिल में दिन रात की बातें होती हैं. In this auditorium.
Yes.
दिन रात तुम्हारी महफिल में, दिन रात आपकी महफिल में दिन रात की बातें होती हैं. कुछ बात नहीं होती फिर भी बात की बातें होती हैं. इस बात की कोई बात नहीं, उस बात की बातें होती हैं. और जिस बात पे इतनी बात बढ़ी उस बात पे कोई बात न थी.
अरे वाह वाह वाह. हाफिज जी, you are very colorful. You are very colorful, yes.
जिस बात पे इतनी बात बढ़ी उस बात में कोई बात न थी, जब बात पे बात आ जाती है तब बात की बातें होती हैं। प्लीज लेट्स वेलकम द वन एंड ओनली मिस डिप्टी।
Oh, no problem, no problem, no problem.
Sir, I'm very nervous right now.
Because of you. ये आज यही लेक्चर दीजिए, छोड़िए इन लोग। Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Look at me.
Look at me.
My name is Kaf. अब बोलिए, my name is Kaf.
My name is Kaf.
अब दीप्ति.
My name is Deepti.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm so beautiful.
I'm so beautiful.
मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ तो क्या करूँ?
मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ तो क्या?
So guys,
So guys,
are you ready to listen to me? बोलिए.
are you ready to listen to me?
Yes, we are ready. Come on, go.
Sir, नहीं हो पाएगा.
सब एसी चला दो जी. What happened?
Sir,
You're
नहीं
not.
हो रहा, नहीं हो रहा.
हमें लगता है शायरी में जहाँ से दम था.
I can't face right now.
Like, what's the problem? Content problem, the confidence one.
I'm feeling anxious actually.
I can't let you go. आई कुछ क्यों नहीं लेते हैं लोग से, हो जाए. देखो यही डर से निकलना है. हमें पता, आई नो यू वेरी वेल. इससे अगर डर के भाग जाएंगे और कमजोर हो जाएंगे आप. सच्ची बता रहे. मतलब ये है ना कि असल मोड़ पे आके आप भाग रही हैं. चलिए खड़ी हुई यहाँ पे, हमारी तरह खड़ी हुई है. कम ऑन, फेस देयर, फेस देयर, फेस देयर. यस, रुको, अभी बोलना नहीं है. सो दीप्ति, हमसे बात करिए, राइट? सो वेयर वर यू? अरे हमसे बात करिए आप. वेयर वर यू?
Sir, I'm feeling very.
लुक एट कैमरामैन. देख ली. लुक अनुराग, लुक एट अनुराग. से हाय. बोले हाय. यस. लुक एट दिस बॉय, सेक्सुअली बॉय, राइट? हे, से हाय उमर. यस. इनका नाम क्या? डू यू नो हर नेम? यू डोंट नो हर नेम? आस्क, आस्क, आस्क.
What is your name? Okay.
Do you know her? She's very famous nowadays.
Yeah, I think Anjum.
अंजू. अंजू घंगोर बेचती.
Anju. Yeah, sorry.
Your name is अंजुम? अंजू डाइमा. Yeah, exactly. हाँ. डाइमा. चलो कोई स्टार्ट करो. एनर्जी से स्टार्ट कर दो. हाँ.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes.
I know that I am feeling nervous and I am feeling anxious right now, but actually I want to speak and
And I can speak.
yeah, I can speak.
Yes.
Definitely. Once again, good evening to all of you. This is Deepti and first of all, I want to pay a humble gratitude to Kaf sir who has given me this golden opportunity to present myself in front of all of you. So today I want to tell you that I want to tell you two things by which I want to tell you two things which is very important and which matters a lot to be a great personality. So I want to give you an example of Kaf sir.
Oh, excuse me.
As we all know that Kaf sir is a very humble personality. He is very humble towards all of us. He cares all of us. He want to improve everyone's personality who is in his institute. That's why we considered him as a great personality. So humbleness behavior matters a lot. Suppose Kaf sir take a leave and he didn't consistent with his work or with his institute. So will we consider him as a great personality? No. If he is not consistent in his work, we cannot consider him as a great personality.
Right.
So to call him as a great personality, we all know that he is very consistent to his work. He is very humble in his nature. That's why we call him as a great personality. To be a great leader, it is very important to have a very good leadership skill, and it will not come when you will be self-obsessed with yourself, when you will be proud only on yourself. To be a great leader, firstly, you have to be a humble person. You have to consistent to your work. The person with whom you are working, the person who are in your leadership phase, you have to care for them. Then only you will be a great personality.
True. Very nice.
So two things matters a lot to be a great personality. Firstly, the behavior, and secondly, the consistency towards your work. I hope you all understand that what I want to tell you. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much. You have been a great
Very
audience.
nice, very nice. Yes, you were underconfident. Now she has spoken. She has spoken or not?
Yes, spoken, sir.
So she has, I think she's a good personality. But I can't believe that. I think she has not spoken good.
Spoken good, sir.
I have one task for her.
You can.
If she can do, I will believe that yes, she is.
You can.
Really?
You can.
Do you think she can do it?
Yeah, yes. You can do it.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You have to walk and talk. And you have to meet with those boys who you don't know. Don't shake hand.
I don't know anyone actually.
You don't know anyone, so you can go to anyone and you can talk to anyone. And say that ki, bhai, sir, uncle, whatever, be consistent. Your message would be about consistency. Go, please.
Are you consistent person?
Yes, of course.
What's your name?
My name is Shankar Kumar.
So, are you a consistent person?
Yes.
You come every day or you skip?
No, I come every day.
You come every day?
Yes.
So, anyone is here who didn't come every day? You can give me an honest answer. Yeah, I know I am. I know I am not consistent. That's why I want to tell you. You can see that how much anxious right now I am to talk to you, to talk in front of all of you. It is because of I am not consistent. So you have to be a consistent person if you want to develop your personality. It is very important. You can see the example that today I was very anxious. I feel so much anxious. I was not able to talk in front of all of you. It is because I'm not consistent here. So consistency is very important. What do you think?
I think consistency is very important in our life. I have to come every day at Will Talk for.
Are you consistent? Okay. So yeah, this is my message for all of you that you have to, if you want to be a great personality, so two things you have to build in yourself. Firstly, your behavior. You have to be a good person by your heart. You have to care for others also. And the second one is consistency. You have to be consistent to your work. Thank you so much.
Very nice. Wow, she did it.
Yeah.
She did it.
What an incredible performance.
What?
What an incredible.
What?
What an incredible. What an incredible performance. She was feeling nervous first in starting, but when she started to speak, she spoke well. She has spoke very well.
She has spoken.
She has spoken very well.
Right.
It's with confidence.
Right.